Hello folks, this is iPartner here, doing my introduction video what I'm going to be doing on my channel today. As I'm going to be doing Gundam model kit reviews, figures, custom work, showing off some customs I've done, doing a little bit of some techniques later down the line, and maybe some more future projects, but I like to show you a little bit of my collection that I've built so far, and what you're probably going to be seeing, at least for future customs, future reviews. And I guess some customs I will be seeing down the line of my videos. I can show you a little bit of my collection that I've built up over the 5 years of my tenure building model kits. May not be the best, but I do have a good long time building model kits. As I've been a fan of the franchise since I guess I will say since I was a young kid. What's it called? Very young kid. I didn't really discover Gundam until like maybe later in my teens with Code Geass and Gundam 00 being, I guess, the primary ones. Was a little bit Gurren Lagann. And then it wasn't until later on, I think after high school and all that, when I started watching Build Fighters. That's when I ended up becoming more of a fan. Sorry about the lighting. I'm trying to adjust most of my lighting. I'm like, one of the things I'm going to be probably investing in is going to be getting some LED lights to make my lighting a little bit more better, my shelving, and a little bit more better my shelving here. I can do a little bit more of my model kits. And also here is my backlog that I currently have right now at the moment, as I'm not just going to be reviewing the model kits I already built, but I'm also going to be reviewing the model kits I have yet to build, as you know, as what's called Gundam builders. We have backlogs that we have yet to build, and it's probably going to take me a couple weeks or a couple months to get through all of these guys. But I'll probably get to them eventually. I do have some good ones here that I do want to eventually build, especially ones that have been here for probably the longest. Also have my figures as well when it comes to figures that I also have. I have a bunch of Figmas I'll probably be showcasing that I have around in case people are interested in some Figmas. Mainly Fate, since I'm also a fan of Fate. And a bunch of I'll also be doing some Yu-Gi-Oh stuff too, as I do have a bunch of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I'll probably do post some of that. And I guess that's it for the introduction video. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and hopefully you guys enjoy my future content. And you will be seeing this guy right here probably most of all, as he is my persona. His name is the Stray Ignis, and you'll probably be seeing him and me around most of the time. Hopefully you guys like my content, and I hopefully will see you guys in the future. This is Pirate Arden, signing out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.